I cannot see it very good from here, guys, but look, this is the bridge here. It's a dragon bridge. Today they're going to be celebrating it's a festival of lights. And according to what I read, every weekend the dragon actually throws fire every weekend, and the road is closed so that no one goes on the bridge, and the dragon starts shooting fire, and today it will shoot water also. So look at that, it's very impressive. Too bad you cannot see very good with your on the lens, but on the naked eye you can spot the dragon is beautiful. The tail is here and the head is on that side over there. So and it changes colors also. It goes to blue and yellow, like amber color, and then goes to blue. So, and then the eye is over there. Oh, and I forgot to say, we are in Danang Vietnam, and here I am, guys. Here I am. Yes, you will see my outfit when I go there, so that you when Doki vlogs, when I give him the camera, you will be able to see my outfit. Okay, so this is the outfit of the day in Danang Vietnam. Maybe from here you'll be able to see a little bit more of the dragon. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? That's the dragon bridge. It's amazing, guys, it's amazing. You guys are here with me. Hello. So look at that, it's very impressive. I could actually hear the music already, and they will be having fireworks. Today is the fireworks festival. This is a beautiful view of Danang Vietnam, guys. You can see now the dragon. See, do you see the dragon? It changes color, so right now you're going to be able to see when it changes to different color. The head of the dragon is on this side, and the tail is here. As soon as it starts changing colors, I will be showing you again, okay? Okay, it's coming, guys. It's changing colors already, see? Did you see now the colors are different? There they come. It's purple now. Look, there comes the blue. I hear thunder. I think it's going to rain. See, it's changing colors again. Look at that. My favorite one is the gold, you know, the yellow one is beautiful. Right now it's going to blue. Blue color. Let's see if it changes to another one. I want the yellow one so you guys can see. There comes the green. That one is the green coming. This is so beautiful. Then you're going to see the yellow. When the yellow comes back, I will finish this, guys. Can you? There comes the yellow, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. You see? Wow. That is amazing. I love it. Like Dog People says, awesome.
You saw the bridge back there?
Oh yeah.
You won't pick it up on the camera, but
Oh yes, I could see it. Yes. I love the yellow one. It's better. Can you show my outfit?
the outfit of the day.
Yeah, you have to come this way.
You gotta go by the light so they can see you good because it's really dark here.
Look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Taran! I am dressed for the occasion.
Yeah. Outfit of the day.
Yeah.
So let's go on the bridge.
I will be walking over the bridge, guys, so you guys can see, okay? Hello, hello. Hi. So, this is the tail of the dragon. Actually, the tail of the dragon. This is beautiful. Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. Look at this, guys. Hello, hello. So, the people are so friendly here. Beautifully friendly. Look at that, changing colors again. The gold one, that's my favorite one. So nice. Look at that. Wow. This is beautiful Vietnam. Look at that, guys. This bridge is impressive, huh? It's amazing. I love it. Look at it. It's designed perfect, perfect design. People here waiting already for the fireworks. Look at that. I believe we should stay around here, but Dogby Vlogs wants to keep on going all the way to the front. I don't know why. I think it's beautiful here. So we'll be able to see the sorry. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. You don't think maybe we should stay here? Look, there's no one here. Wow, that is a beautiful one, guys. I like that one. So they say it's Korea and Italy that they're doing these fireworks. Actually, getting wet under the rain here is really refreshing. Very refreshing. I was really hot, it's not anymore. Whoa! Looks like two hands. Wow. Wow. Whoa, look at that one. That is beautiful. Isn't that nice? And the buildings here with all the lights, you know. They said Cambodia is famous. I mean Cambodia. Vietnam is famous for all the bridges. So, and they have beautiful bridges here. Beautiful bridges. Look at that. I'm gonna be cold now. Wow. This is amazing, guys. It's amazing. Is it over? More people are coming out. So guys, this is it. That's the dragon over here. And this is how it looks on there. Look, everyone is going home. No fire on the dragon today. So too bad. Too bad, too bad. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, okay? See you on the next one. So guys, see, they're picking the garbage right away. That is so nice. That's why this place is so clean. See? As soon as the event finished, they're picking up the garbage. All the kids here in the blue shirts. That is amazing that they do that. I like it. I like it. It's very nice. Look at the dragon. It's so beautiful. And they are all over. Look at all the boats here, guys. They're all in the water. They're going to pass under the bridge. Police, police. Ah, there they go. Look at them. It's so pretty with all the lights. It's the barges, you know. Wow, I like the colors, are so pretty. Look at that. Eat bien. That's the name of it. Oh, cat. Sorry. Cat bin. That's when you not eat cat. 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 See there? Wow. And there's one with almost no lights here. Ay, ay, ay. They went to see the fireworks also. Those are neat. Look how many are there. There are so many. Wow. And they are full with people. Ah, it's restaurant. Look, people are eating in there. They have tables. It's a restaurant. There are restaurants. We'll wait for one here. Look how many of them are there. So many. So many of them. And now we'll see this blue one and the green one. There comes. This one has disco lights. Do you see the blue one has disco lights? Wow. Those are beautiful. See, people have food. People are eating in there. Wow. Amazing, guys. Welcome to Vietnam. Danang. This is Danang Vietnam. Wow. That is so nice. Look how many more are coming back there. So many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. 15 more coming, guys. Wow, that is so nice. I found something beautiful here. Look at that. This tree. And look how many flowers it's having. It's like lavender. I wonder if it has a smell. Let me see. No, no smell. Wow. It's beautiful.